Hello, my awesome viewers. Thank you for being here today. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I make this crunchy and tasty pancake. Okay, so the ingredient we are going to need is two fresh potato, white onions, flour, green onions, and pepper and salt to taste. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my cold water in the bowl and then start shredding my potato. Make sure you wash your potato before you shred it, okay? And then make sure you use the very tiny side on your shredder, okay, so that you can get a very smooth and small crunch of your potato. I don't want it to be too big, that's why I didn't use the big side. I want something very small and smooth. Okay, all right, I'm adding my ice because the water is not that cold. That was the reason why I had some ice, so that my potato is not going to discolor. Okay, so I'm going to leave it in the water for 30 minutes. While the potato is resting in the water for 30 minutes, I'm going to grab my green onions, slice it, get 2 eggs, and then break the egg into the bowls. Then get the rest of my ingredient: pepper, flour, salt, and then whisk everything together. So I'm going to whisk everything together and make sure it's very smooth. Then next, after 30 minutes, I'm going to drain the water out of the potato, and then make sure the water is fully drained out of the potato. As you can see, I'm using my hand to drain the water out. And then the water is fully drained, then I pour the potato in a bowl and then add my egg mixture. Then I'm going to grab my whisk and then whisk everything together until we have a smooth paste. All right now I put my pan on the stove. Make sure it's on a medium heat. Then I pour half cup of olive oil. Make sure your oil is hot before you start scooping your potato in it. So the oil is hot, then I start scooping it. You see that? Oh my god. This potato is heavenly and is very delicious. I love it, and my family love it as well. This is our number one go-to breakfast idea. Okay? Yeah, look at that. So, and then I'm going to make sure I flip it after every 3 minutes. Make sure it's golden brown. I love it golden brown, so that it can be fully cooked inside, because potato takes time to cook. So I'm going to flip every 3 minutes. Look at that. Look at that. Everything is sizzling. I love it so much. It is so delicious and tasty when I finish making this potato pancake. And I hope you try it as well. If you have any question or comment, make sure to leave it in the comment section below, and I will appreciate it a lot. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and also comment down below this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.